It's actually known as the mystery car carrier. Came out of North Carolina, I believe. And the pictures that I saw was it sitting in a field with 4 56 Chevys on the back of it. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we've got something a little bit different for you. Anybody who knows me knows that I love car carriers. I don't care what they are. If it carries a car, I like it. Ever since I was a little kid, I remember my mom telling me that we used to walk downtown. It was a Chevrolet dealer. Imagine that, Chevrolet dealer. Right where she used to walk from our apartment to downtown. And sometimes we'd walk by there and there'd be a car carrier unloading brand new Chevrolets. It had to be, 1962, 61, something like that. And I wouldn't let her go until every car was off that car carrier. So I go way back with car carriers, my love for car carriers. And I do have a huge car carrier collection too, not only with my Hot Wheels collection. And love car carriers. So what I'm getting at is there was a picture on the internet, it's still out there, of an old COE, cab over engine, car carrier that had 56 Chevys on the back of it. And I fell in love with it. And I've had it as my screensaver forever, ever since I found it. So, I'm always looking at it, and it's actually known as the mystery car carrier. Came out of North Carolina, I believe. And the pictures that I saw was it sitting in a field with 4 56 Chevys on the back of it. And, it's just so cool, as you can see. Like I said, I've always had it as the screensaver on my computer. And nobody ever knew what, where, who, when, nothing about it or the cars that were on it. After all those years, of course, I forgot about it, but it's still, on my screensaver. So we go to vacation every year. My wife loves to go to, I'm sure if you've seen any of her Facebook or anything else, you see the beach pictures. And we live in New York. So every year we go to Myrtle Beach, or we go somewhere down south to the beach. And this past year, I didn't have to drive. So I'm sitting in the back, and I'm taking a nap when I want to take a nap. Getting up when I want to get up, and just enjoying the whole trip. So for some reason, I wake up from a nap, driving down the road, riding down the road. I look over in the window, out the window, and there is the mystery car carrier. Now I'm thinking I'm still dreaming, because it's like, this thing's supposed to be in the middle of the woods somewhere, and we keep going. So I'm looking all around to see where we are, and come to find out we were in Colonial Heights, Virginia, and I'm going to let you see the pictures of the car carrier when it was, when I first saw it, when it was in the woods. And I guess the story goes that it went up for auction, and I don't know who bought it or how much it went for, but it ended up in Colonial Heights, Virginia, at the Keystone Truck and Tractor Museum. So, but I didn't know that it was at the Keystone Truck and Tractor Museum the whole time that I'm on vacation. So, I'm on vacation, and that's all I'm thinking about is I want to go see this thing. So, we figured out where it was. We made sure we came back the same way. And that's how I knew it was Colonial Heights, because we were on the road, and there it was. But the thing was, we were on the interstate, and trying to get to the un-interstate was a feat all in itself. And that was like, a whole half-hour ride to get here, there, and everywhere else. But we did finally get there. And I got to see it up close and took some pictures. And it was really so cool to see it in person after seeing it on the internet, or actually on my screensaver on my computer all these years. It's like meeting. Well, how you car guys are, we car guys. When you see a car in a magazine or you see a car somewhere and you fall in love with it, and you finally get to see it, it's just so cool. It's like meeting a celebrity, right? So I got to meet the car carrier and see all the cars that were on it. Nothing there was actually able to be resurrected. I got to tell you, seeing that thing in person was just I don't know, like a fantasy coming true. Being able to look at all of the cars that were on there, really nothing left of any of them, and I don't even think any of the chrome was any good, and you really wouldn't want to touch any of it because they were rusted pretty bad. But it was just so cool to see the cars on the hauler, the hauler itself, inside the hauler. It's like one of them old country western songs, where you hear about the tractor trailer coming down the road in the middle of the night and it's a ghost truck, So that'd be really cool too, having a ghost car carrier, just riding the roads at night. But it was just so cool to see the car carrier and 4 56 Chevys on the back of it, bring you back in time to a really cool time. It looks like, somebody was on their way to deliver some Chevys and just parked it in the woods. Who knows? You know what? It could be stolen. It could have been parked out there with brand new 56 Chevys on it and been there all these years and nobody ever knew where it was. Now that would be a cool story. Definitely be a cool story. But yeah, if anybody knows the real story on the mystery car carrier, let me know. Put in the comments below. I actually haven't been in the museum to talk to anybody because, of course, when you're on vacation with your wife and the kids, and we have other families that go with us, car stuff is really not number one on their priority list. But maybe someday I'll get a chance to go back to the Keystone Museum, check it out, check out what's inside, and maybe talk to the guys that are there. Maybe they know more about it. So, but if you do, put it in the comments below. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this one. It's just one of my favorites. So thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And also, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, hope you guys take care of yourselves, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.